There's been a steady stream of speculation surrounding Sony's next big leap in the Alpha series, the much-awaited Sony A7V. Following the massive success of the A7 IV, expectations are running high for what Sony has planned next. Originally tipped for a late 2025 debut, fresh insights suggest that this launch may be slipping further down the calendar. Industry whispers now point to a possible delay, with multiple factors contributing to the extended timeline. While we're still waiting on official confirmation, signs are pointing toward a more strategic and calculated launch window, possibly landing between late 2025 and early 2026. Much of the early buzz around the A7V began when Sony registered new camera model numbers with global certification bodies. This ignited a wave of rumors suggesting a new full-frame mirrorless body was nearing release. However, insiders now reveal that ongoing production delays, particularly those impacting Sony's cinema camera lineup and high-end models, are creating a ripple effect. Just as global tech industries faced supply constraints and chip shortages in recent years, Sony appears to be pacing its launches more cautiously this time around. Sony's camera output in 2024 has been unusually slow compared to previous years. Apart from a few key releases like the A9 III, the ZV-E10 II, and a versatile 24 to 50mm G-series lens, the rest of the year has remained relatively quiet. Initially, the next FX9 style camera was expected to break cover during the summer, but that never materialized. Now, it seems Sony might be timing the A7V's release in reaction to its competition, particularly Canon's upcoming EOS R6 Mark III. If Canon reveals its pricing and full specs first, Sony may choose to tweak its own offering for a more strategic market entry. Despite the hold-up, Sony hasn't gone silent. Leaked documents show at least two unreleased models are in active development. One is believed to be the A7V, while the other might be a specialty full-frame E-mount camera aimed at enthusiasts in wildlife, low-light, or hybrid production work. This signals that Sony is still pushing forward, just with greater precision and attention to market dynamics. So, what exactly might the Sony A7V bring to the table? While Sony hasn't officially revealed specs, several trusted sources in the camera community have dropped hints. It's becoming increasingly clear that this model will be about more than just incremental improvements. The focus seems to be on speed, AI-powered features, and next-gen processing performance. Don't expect 8K recording or a global shutter, those remain reserved for Sony's flagship tiers, but what we do anticipate are critical improvements that directly benefit hybrid creators. The heart of the A7V will likely be a newly developed BSI CMOS full-frame sensor, with a resolution hovering between 40 to 45 megapixels. This upgrade should offer improved dynamic range, higher detail, and better noise management even at high ISOs. Combined with a next-gen Bionz XR processor or its successor, users can expect enhanced image clarity, faster readout speeds, and superior color rendering. Sony is also expected to carry over and further enhance its AI-powered autofocus system, similar to what we've seen in the A7RV and A9 III. The A7V could feature advanced real-time tracking for faces, eyes, animals, birds, and even vehicles, enabling photographers and videographers to lock onto subjects with unmatched precision. Features like pose estimation, subject recognition, and low-light tracking will likely be core strengths, perfect for creators working in fast-paced or challenging environments. On the video side, the A7V is expected to shoot oversampled 4K from a 6K or 7K sensor readout, providing ultra-sharp results with rich color depth. Support for 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, S-Cinetone profiles, and potentially 4K 60 all-intra recording would make it a formidable tool for filmmakers and YouTubers alike. Sony has been blurring the lines between stills and video with each new release, and the A7V looks poised to continue that trend. Burst shooting speeds are rumored to hit 14 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and up to 30 frames per second using the electronic shutter. This is excellent news for action shooters, sports professionals, and wildlife photographers who demand top-tier responsiveness. Display and handling will also see meaningful upgrades. The A7V is likely to feature a 3.69 million EVF with 120 Hz refresh rate, offering a smooth, real-time preview experience. Expect a fully articulating touchscreen with increased resolution around 2.1 million dots, making it more useful for vloggers and on-the-go shooters. Ergonomic improvements are also anticipated, possibly better weather sealing, a more textured grip, and deeper, more tactile buttons. Dual card slots will return, likely supporting both UHS-2 SD cards and CF Express Type A for faster, more flexible media handling. And power efficiency remains a Sony stronghold. The A7V will likely stick with the NP-FC100 battery, offering a dependable shooting experience with over 600 frames per charge. Rumors also suggest improvements in thermal management, helping the camera stay cool during long video sessions, an increasingly critical feature for hybrid users. Beyond hardware, software innovation is expected to take center stage. The A7V could be the first in its class to tap deeper into Sony's Creator Cloud platform, giving users advanced tools for syncing, editing, and sharing files seamlessly. There's also a chance Sony may include Content Authenticity Initiative tools, allowing photographers to verify the originality of their work, an essential feature in an era where AI-generated content blurs creative boundaries. As for pricing, reliable sources indicate that the A7V may launch between $2,499 and $2,799, depending on the kit configuration and market. At that level, it's positioned to compete directly with the Canon R6 III and Nikon Z6 III, both of which target serious enthusiasts and professionals. If Sony gets the performance-to-price ratio right, the A7V could become the go-to full-frame mirrorless for hybrid shooters in 2025 and beyond. So, is it worth waiting for, if you're currently using an older model like the A7 III or even the A7 IV and feel limited by slower burst speeds, less reliable autofocus, or aging color science? The A7V might be exactly what you need. However, if your shooting demands are urgent, other capable alternatives exist, such as the Sony A7RV for resolution-focused work, the Canon R6 II for hybrid performance, or the ZV-E1 for video-centric creators. While delays have shifted the timeline, everything we've seen so far points to the Sony A7V being worth the wait. It's shaping up to be a well-rounded hybrid camera built for creators who demand performance, flexibility, and future-forward features in one compact package. If Sony delivers on its promise, the A7V could very well redefine the mid-tier mirrorless category for years to come.